Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about many-to-many relation in tables. I'm go through again with an example. Let's say here many-to-many. Alright, I'm going to create a table for user. Let's say here users, okay, claims and user claims table. Alright, let's assign 3 user ID name 1, 2, 3. Name is Michael, Gabriel, Amanda, and let's add let's say title. Okay, ID 1, 2, 3. Title account access, sales access, and purchase. I'm just creating random informations. Alright guys, let's make those. Okay, align right side. Perfect. What is many-to-many relations? Okay guys, just imagine if Michael have account and sales access, and what if Gabriel has, for example, all of them, and what if Amanda has access for sales and purchase? So how we can manage those? Okay, let me create a new print screen draft for us, and let me show you the connection between all of them. If you remember, if we're doing one-to-many, we just assign, for example, Michael, or just we're assigning account, all of them. But now, what if I would like to assign sales to the Michael as well? Okay, let's do it. So Michael able to access account and sales. Gabriel able to access account, sales, and purchase. And Amanda able to access account and purchase. So let's see what we have in our hands now. Michael has 2 access, Gabriel has 3 access, Amanda has 2 access. So let's go to the other side and have a look. Account access have 3 user, sales access has 2 user, purchase access has 2 user. As you can see, we call that this schema many-to-many connection. But how can we make this relation between these two tables? The main important thing in this, guys, user and claim, there is no relation between these two. We're going to create a new table which is called user claims, and we're going to make the assignment in another table. Let's add ID here, and this ID is going to be user claims ID. So we have 3, 5, 7, I guess, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different relation. It's going to be user ID and it's going to be claims ID. Alright. So Michael has, let's have a look. Michael has account and sales 1 and 2. Okay, Michael has 2 access, right? This is Michael. Number 1 is Michael. Alright. So Michael has 1 and 2 account and sales access. Let's have a look. Gabriel. Gabriel has 3 access if I remember correctly. So all of them 1, 2, and 3. So Amanda has account and purchase. Amanda is 3. So account is 1, purchase is 3. Once you look at this table at the first end, this is just numbers, right? But in the behind these numbers, we have a logic. It is matching the, how can I say, access and users. This is how we're assigning many-to-many connections. Okay, let's go back to SQL and try to create those tables. Perfect. Now let's create a new query. Let's create database. Database many-to-many function 5. Perfect. Database has been created. Let's create table users ID integer identity 1 to 1 and I want it a primary key. Let's go with name, say full name varchar 50. Anything else should I add? Varchar 50. Let me think. Let's create this table. Oops. Let's copy and make this section command line. Claims ID. Okay, let's make it title. Function 5 claims has been created. Next one is user claims. Alright, now it's a little bit tricky. We have user ID here. User ID integer. And we have claim ID integer. And we need to add our foreign case now. Let's add foreign key. Let me have a look. User ID and users. It's going to be connected from users table. Oh, sorry, reference first. Reference. And the table is users from ID. Yep. Don't we have any users table? We have users. Let's have a look. Invalid table. Maybe we didn't refresh. That's why it's recognized there is no, like, we don't have any table, right? But definitely we have. Let's have a look. M2M tables, as you can see. Let's refresh it. Oh, we are in master. Oh my god. Oh, of course we don't have. Let's make this command line. This is my fault, guys. Let's use M2M function 5. Yeah, we forgot to switch our database. Now let's create those two tables. Now function 5. They have been created. Let's have a look at our tables now. Here we go. Now let's remove command lines. Perfect. We have user. Yeah, I know now we have users table. Don't worry about it. Let's copy this section. Claim ID and claims table and ID. Anything else should I need to do? Let's Function 5, perfect. It has been created. Right click, refresh. Alright. Let's have a look at our diagram now. Right click, new database diagram. Bring me all of them. Let's close it. As you can see, we have users. So let's go back to our query. Guys, user ID integer and foreign key reference user ID. This is creating one-to-many. So we have two one-to-many, it makes many-to-many. As you can see, we have one-to-many, we have another one-to-many, it makes many-to-many. Alright, let's try to add some data. I'm going to use just UI to make it quickly. We have Michael, we have Amanda, actually the second one is Gabriel, right? And let's say Amanda. Perfect. Let's go to the claims. Account access. What was the second one? Sales and purchase. Sales and purchase. Perfect. Let's go to user claims. So let's open Excel. So Michael have account and sales. Michael account. Michael sales. Gabriel. Let's add 3 Gabriel. 1, 2. Let's execute. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Alright. So number 3, Amanda has 2 access. Amanda has 1 account and purchase. Okay. Amanda account and purchase. Relations is done. Let's go back to queries and try to brought them using select. Yeah. Select star from TBL. User claims. No, not just user claims. User claims. Function 5. As you can see, all we have in our hands is numbers, right? Let's use inner join TBL users. No, there is no TBL. Inner join users on users claims dot user ID must be equal users dot ID. Let's function 5. Where is the problem? Inner join users. Yeah. Function 5. Perfect. We have our full name and ID. Okay. Let's add claims as well. Join claims on user claims dot claim ID claims dot ID. Function 5, we brought our claims as well. Now all I need to do using full name and titles. Okay, full name comma title. Function 5, as you can see, Michael have account, Michael have sales, Gabriel have 3, Amanda has 2 different access. So we can use filter using where. Let's add where title equal, let's say account access. So function 5, once we make this filter using where keyword, we able to see the users able to reach account system. All right. What if I say here sales isn't sales? Let's have a look all of them. Let's have a look all of them. Function 5. It's just sales. All right. No account, just sales. As you can see, Michael and Gabriel able to reach sales server. Okay. Let's say purchase. Gabriel and Amanda able to reach purchase. So this is how we using many-to-many connection, guys. I assume you understand this section. Before finish my video, I would like to show you a real example which is used in our identity library while we're using .NET Framework. Let me open another database. Yeah, let me show you user table first. This is my user table, which is created automatically by identity library. This is my user table, and these are the ID of each user. Keep that your mind. Let me close those section. Okay. Let's save here as well. And then we continue with the query list for many to many. Okay, just close it and continue. Okay, this is our user table, and each user has their ID. And let's open role, and these are my roles. I have two different role, member and super admin, and these are ID of each role. Now all I need to do, match these IDs to the roles. To do that, we have, let me have a look, user roles table. This is user ID, this is his or her role. This is user ID, this is role of user ID. This is how it's working in real life, guys. Perfect. I assume this subject is understood. Now let's close our database and continue with pushing our changes to the local repository. Let's save our Excel file as well. Perfect. CD desktop, CD MS SQL, git check out dev. Let's go development branch, git add all, git commit -m many to many lessons. Let's make this M uppercase. Oops. And perfect. Also switch this L to the uppercase. Many to many lessons. Let's enter. Perfect. Let's check out to main. Git merge development. Perfect. Have a look our login. Main and development are synchronized, and many to many lessons is our latest commitment. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you crush the like button, I will be really appreciated, as it really motivates me creating new contents. And please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask below the video.